Hey city builders, welcome back. Lately, I've been seeing this method popping up all over the internet. People are saying you can get unlimited gold and cash in City Island 6 using just your phone. No PC, no extra software, nothing complicated. Honestly, it sounded a little too good to be true, so I decided to test it myself and see if it actually works. In this video, I'll take you through everything step by step, what I did, how it went, and the results in my city. The first thing you need is your player ID. You can usually find it in your profile or somewhere in the settings. I found mine pretty quickly and copied it so I could use it in the next step. It's super straightforward, nothing tricky here. Next, I grabbed my phone and opened up the browser. I'm using Chrome, but honestly, any browser will work. I searched for the website everyone's been talking about that's connected to City Island's 6 unlimited gold and cash. The page loaded smoothly. No weird pop-ups, no redirects, nothing sketchy. Honestly, I was a bit surprised. It looked clean, simple, and completely normal. Once on the site, I selected my platform. I'm on Android, but there was an iOS option too. Then I pasted in my player ID and double-checked everything before moving on. After tapping the button, the site showed a short loading process with animations. Nothing froze or crashed, it all ran smoothly. Next, it asked how much gold and cash I wanted to add. For this test, I went all in and picked the maximum amount, just to really see what would happen. After confirming, a few progress bars appeared, showing each step being completed. Everything was clear, simple, and easy to follow. No confusing instructions at all. Before it wrapped up, there was a quick verification step. The site explains it in plain language and even gives simple instructions, so it wasn't tricky. I had already completed that part earlier, so let's skip ahead and check out the results. To check if it worked, I opened City Island 6 again and looked at my gold and cash balance. The extra resources were already there. I didn't have to restart the game or wait at all. It updated instantly, which honestly surprised me. So based on my test, the method worked exactly as described. The steps were simple, everything was mobile friendly, and it was easy to follow as long as you pay attention. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest tests and reviews. And if you've tried this method yourself, drop a comment and let me know how it went. I read every one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.